Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to get more views on YouTube fast. I'm here inside my YouTube analytics for this channel, and as you can see right now my channel gets approximately 18 to 19,000 views every single day. I'm going to show you the exact strategy that I'm using on this channel to get these views, and if you can see these 4 icons over here, I have only uploaded 4 videos in the past 28 days. I have not uploaded a video at all in the last 2 weeks, and I'm still getting about 17 to 18,000 views every single day using the strategy I'm about to share with you. Basically, this means that my channel right now is growing on autopilot. If I take a month off, it will still continue giving approximately the same number of views and making me money. If you want to get more views on YouTube, it's important to understand how YouTube decides which video to show to you or to all other viewers on YouTube. Let's say somebody on YouTube is searching for a keyword such as how to get traffic for affiliate marketing. If we enter that in right now, you can see I'm in incognito mode, so the results that you can see here are not influenced by my browser history. My video is currently ranking as number 1. You can see this is my video, Caffeinated Blogger. It has had 50,000 views in the last 9 months. It keeps getting traffic from YouTube on complete autopilot because it is ranking in search. The big question is, how do you rank in search? What are the important things that YouTube wants to see in your video to show your video at the top of search results? When you watch any of the videos, I'm sure that you know there is this sidebar here on the right hand side with all of the related videos. The second big question is, how does YouTube decide which videos to show here? So in this case, you are actually able to see that my videos are suggested as the next videos for this person to watch. So you can get a lot of views from these suggested videos as well if you're able to get into this list of suggested videos to watch next. So the most important metric that you as a YouTuber should worry about for your YouTube videos is what is called session watch time. What is this session watch time? Well, let's take a look at this example. Let's say there are 2 videos, video 1 and video 2, that are exactly the same. They're both 10 minutes long and they're both targeting the same keyword. They are absolutely the same in every regard. But there are subtle differences, and the difference is that with video 1, on average, people watch this video for 3 minutes. This 3 minutes is average watch time, so some people might watch it for 1 minute, some people might watch it for 8, but over the course of time, let's say out of 1,000 viewers, the average watch time per person is 3 minutes. So this means that total session watch time for this video is 3 minutes. Okay, let's take a look at a second example. Let's say this video is absolutely the same and people also watch this video on average for 3 minutes. But after they finish watching this video, video 2, they then watch 2 more of your videos, each of them for 3 minutes in total. Then all of a sudden you have turned one viewer that watches your video for 3 minutes into a viewer that has watched your channel in total for 9 minutes. Now that is a big difference. YouTube really wants to keep people on YouTube for the reason that it is a lot more revenue for YouTube. This is how the algorithm works. It's all about optimizing and making sure that people stay on the YouTube platform. Then all of a sudden, instead of one viewer watching just one of your videos, as is the example with video 1, they watched your video 2 plus 2 more videos. So that's 3 videos in total. That's 9 minutes watch time. That is more ads that YouTube is able to show to your audience. So your job as a YouTuber is to maximize this session watch time, because YouTube will give massive preference to videos with a much longer total session watch time. And in this video right now, I'm about to share with you my top strategies for increasing this watch time. By the way, if you liked this slide that I put probably about 15 minutes of my life into, then smash like on this video just below. I'd super appreciate it. So the first strategy that I want to share with you for how to get more views on YouTube is to use this super powerful end screen trick. Let me show you a couple of examples. Here are two videos, video 1 and video 2. Both are roughly on the same topic. They are affiliate marketing tutorials about the ClickBank affiliate marketing network. Now, this video was published about 150 days ago. It has had 55,000 views. It has gained, for me, almost 1,000 subscribers, and it has also made me 2,500 just in ad revenue alone. Even though this video is now 150 days old, it is still getting about 100 views every single day, which is great. Now let us compare this with a second video which was not so successful, and it has had 16,000 views, made 500 in ad revenue, and it is no longer getting any views. Look at this, only 8 views in the last 48 hours. Well, the difference is that when I made this video, I didn't know this super powerful end screen trick. Now I do, and using this end screen trick, I managed to create a much more successful video on the same topic. The secret is here in the engagement tab. If I look at the engagement stats of this video, let's scroll down. We will see here end screen element click rate. The stats for that are saying that 34.1% of people who saw the end screen, the last 20 seconds of my video, ended up clicking it. 34%. Let's compare it with the stats for this video, the video that is less successful. So we go into the engagement stats for this, and we can see that end screen element click rate is only 1.8%. 1.8% versus 34.1%. Huge difference. Just in case you're wondering what is this end screen element click rate, let me show you. In the last 20 seconds of the video, you are able to show this element. It will appear here in the left. See this element over here. This is something that a lot of YouTubers are not utilizing properly. And you can actually direct people to watch another one of your videos at the very end of every single video that you post. So what I have done is that at the end of this video, I'm recommending for the viewer to go ahead and watch this other related video, and I give them a very, very strong reason for why they should go and watch this right now. This is how I was able to get 34.1% of my viewers to click on that end screen, and I'm about to share with you exactly how to do this. But first I want to demonstrate to you why this is so powerful. Let's say you have created video 1 and the end screen element at that video 1 is 34.1%. Well, what does this mean? It means that if video 1 has had 10,000 views, when you link video 1 to video 2 via the end screen element, so you tell them at the end of video 1, you tell them, now you should really go ahead and watch this video, video 2, because it's going to help you get more views on YouTube, drive more traffic, lose weight faster, whatever it is that you talk about in your niche. Then all of a sudden, from these 10,000 views in video 1, video 2 has had sort of like a spillover of 3,410 views for free, for nothing. It's just extra views that video 1 has given to video 2. This is exactly what I've done on this video that I'm sharing with you here. In the last 20 seconds of this video, 34% of everybody who gets to this point in the video ends up clicking through and watching this recommended video. Very, very, very powerful. Free views for me. But the most powerful thing happens if you start creating all of your videos in a similar fashion. So video 2 also has an end screen click rate of 34.1%. Well, then guess what happens? Then out of these spillover from the first video, all of a sudden video 3 has had 1,100 views. And video 4, the same, because video 3 is recommending for video 4 to be watched, another 400 views. And it keeps happening like this across your whole channel. Then if you just take a look at 10 of your most recent videos that are all linked to each other through end screens, then all of a sudden, instead of just 10,000 views, if you add all of these up, instead of just 10,000 views, you have generated 15,000 views across your whole channel. Now, what do you think YouTube will prefer? Will they prefer to show a video that just gets 10,000 views and that's it? Or does it prefer to show a video that gets 10,000 views but then also drives a ton of views to all of the other related videos across the channel? Of course, YouTube will prefer to show a video with a higher end screen click rate because that gives YouTube a lot more revenue. Don't forget, YouTube is a machine. It just looks at the numbers and it says, well, this video generates me a lot more engagement, a lot more revenue, and a lot more engagement for this channel right across all of the videos. Of course, YouTube will prefer to show this video. This is exactly why these two videos on the exact same topic have done so differently. This video has had 16,000 views in almost a year, and this video has had 55,000 views in just 5 months. It is because that successful video has had 34.1% of all people click on the end screen element, and the video that didn't do so great only had 1.8% of people click on the end screen element at the end of it. This is exactly why I've had this massive growth on my channel. I implemented this technique around February or March, and prior to that, I was getting about 8,000 to 7,000 views per day, not bad, but this has helped me now very quickly grow to about 15 to 16 to 17 to 18,000 views per day. Basically, I doubled my views across the channel, and that is by just being smarter with my end screens. So if you also want to start getting more views on YouTube by creating these very powerful end screens, you have to plan your ending ahead. And you also need to use some wording at the end of your videos where you need to advise strongly exactly why people should be watching this next video that is about to appear on the screen. So how do you do this? Well, here is an example. If your video is about how to learn Spanish fast, then at the end of that video, you just record a 20-second sequence where you explain to people exactly why they should be watching that next video that you have already published on your channel. So for example, you might say something like, now make sure that you go ahead and watch this video here right now that will help you to learn 20 Spanish words every single day. This is exactly what I did to learn fluent Spanish in just 6 weeks, so go ahead and watch this video right now. This is exactly how you can get those really high click-through rates onto this video that gets recommended at the end on your end screen. How do you then set it up? In the upload process, when you're uploading your new video, go to the end screens. I think it is in step 4 of the upload process. And when you are adding the end screen element, keep it very simple. Don't make it overly complicated. And just in the last 20 seconds of your video where you're making that pitch for why the people should be watching that next video right now, choose the video from your channel and search for that specific video that you're recommending for them to go ahead and watch right now, and assign it into the video screen where you would like it to appear, and that's all you need to do, nothing complicated. Go ahead, try it on your videos, let me know what you thought of this technique in the comments below, and let me know how your end screen elements results go as well. I'm sure that you will see huge increases in the end screen element click rate, as well as in your total YouTube views and of course the revenue that you make. Now you know my most powerful technique for getting more views. If you would like to now learn how to start a YouTube channel from zero, or maybe start growing your existing YouTube channel faster, then go ahead and watch this video over here right now. It will take you through the full process of starting a brand new YouTube channel and growing it to getting tens of thousands of views every single day. Go ahead and watch it right now. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.